iCoin has been in presence starting around 2018, yet it just started most certainly standing apart of monetary patrons and crypto vendors lately. Have you considered placing assets into PiCoin? Then this PiCoin worth estimate will be helpful in various ways. Understanding how a coin or some other electronic asset will act and what the future holds is by and large valuable concerning making hypothesis decisions. PiCoin Pi may not be a standard computerized cash, but instead, it is at this point a critical asset you can buy. Our PiCoin esteem gauge will help you with choosing if the coin will suit your hypothesis portfolio. It will in like manner help you with looking into what the future holds from your endeavor. Might it at any point be said that you are excited about a fast PiCoin? Long stretch possibility here. Well, summarize our Pi esteem assumptions and evaluations for the following couple of years end of 2022. Considering how the expense of Pi had moved. Already we expect that it will really need to reach 0.0080006 before the ongoing years north of 2022 end of 2023. At whatever point Pi is recorded on huge exchanges, more likely than not the expense will rise. Generally our guess for the completion of 2023 is 0.00984 per token end of 2025 by 2025. We believe that PiCoin presumably been on huge exchanges for quite a while. In case the situation should work out, as we expect Pi may be worth up 0.01683 around the completion of 2025 end of 2030 is about 8 years away. And that is adequate time for Pi to get recorded and become appropriate, accepting circumstances should pan out emphatically. The coin should be worth up to 0.07862 by 2030. Pi Association is an original computerized cash project that hopes to make it incredibly basic. For normal clients to mine the coin, it was purportedly developed by a gathering of Stanford graduates who were obviously dejected that mining of unique computerized monetary forms like Bitcoin was past the scope of ordinary people. The endeavor makes it useful for anyone with a cell to mine the electronic cash. Digging Pi is basic, considering different elements. The association has a flexible application that clients can without a doubt download and start mining coins. The most amazing part of the plan is that the mining framework doesn't drain their phone battery, as many expect. The Pi Association in like manner has an exceptional climate with different positions for individuals. The normal clients are overall insinuated as pioneers. They are supposed to attest that they aren't robots. By 0.0043340 on 6 April 2020, the coin was assessed at 0.0029920 on 6 July 2019. PiCoin cost was 0.003589795. And by 24 August 2020, the expense of PiCoin had extended to 0.00168. On 10 November 2020, Pi was assessed at 0.006299975 per token. And by 28 December 2020, the expense was 0.008338889. On 4 January 2021, PiCoin cost was 0.0077027 per token. A critical bullish run set in, and PiCoin was esteemed at 0.0291. On 8 WAC 2021, on 5 April 2021, the coin showed up at its unrivaled high of 0.0584 per token. The expense started dropping unequivocally in a little while, and by 21 July 2021 Pi had dropped to 0.005196885 per token. On 23 August 2021, the expense of Pi was 0.0097926, and by 22 November, the coin was assessed at 0.00113. On 27 December 2021, Pi was assessed at 0.0094823. On 3 January 2022, PiCoin cost was 0.0115 per token. By 14 February 2022, it had dropped to 0.006681007 per token. On 14th WAC, the expense of the coin was 0.006155960. On 11th April 2022, the expense of Pi was 0.006663931. At the hour of this piece, the expense of PiCoin's Pi was 0.0070077 per token. PiCoin Pi specific examination. Since PiCoin is yet to show up on huge exchanges, getting the data for particular examination is Unimaginable anyway. You can get relevant information from the expense history above without even a hint of reasonable specific markers. We ought to make our pi quotes, considering how the speculative expense had moved already, as well as how some other cryptos had acted previously. PiCoin Pi expert assessments. Proceeding diving into our PiCoin cost assumptions, it will be wonderful to contemplate the works appraisals of various trained professionals. There are a couple of trustworthy locales with guesses on various computerized monetary forms, including Pi. We will ponder the expert figures from a piece of these regions. Wallet Investor. The experts at Wallet Monetary Patron are negative about the inevitable destiny of Pi coins, predicting that the expense of the coin could drop in the near future. Its 1-year Pi coin guess is 0.000001, which is a basic drop in cost. The experts are similarly of the evaluation that the expense of the coin can be controlled since it has an astoundingly low market capitalization. There is in like manner a missing data or renounced cryptographic cache forewarning on the page, and the site states obviously that its Pi data has not been revived. Beginning around 2017, Capitalcom is to some degree careful about Pi coin figures, yet there is adequate information to help conceivable monetary patrons with understanding what's definitely coming. The experts are all around sure about the possible destiny of Pi coin. They stress that the climate is making and expanding, which is the clarification they differ, that Pi association is a sort of stunt. They reference the Pi program and Pi wallet as substantial avocations to acknowledge that the future will be marvelous for Pi coin clients. Currencicum. According to Currencicum, it is challenging to expect Pi cost sooner rather than later, generally considering the way that the coin isn't yet traded on critical exchanges. The experts are similarly skeptical about the somewhat long common sense of PiCoin, as they feel the specialists are not compassing the right reactions to their requests. They don't call Pi association a stunt. In any case, they acknowledge it isn't marvelous of computerized monetary standards out there, and watchfulness expecting monetary patrons against placing a ton of trust in this crypto digital compress mechanized coin cost is one of the critical assumption locales that have Pi coin cost assumptions for an impressive time span to come, according to their Pi coin cost gauges. This asset is set to procure regard in a little while. They acknowledge that Pi could be worth around 0.0009 before the year's more than 2022, and a short time later ascent further to about 0.15, close to the completion of 2025. Pi coin worth figures. Anyway, Pi coin is yet to be recorded on huge exchanges. It is fundamental to consider what its worth may be, especially accepting that you are needing to place assets into it. Considering the unique kind of Pi association and the entire natural framework, it is imperative to recall that the going with gauges should be considered two qualified evaluations of what the expense of the crypto could be after a short time. Pi coin worth assumption for 2022. Considering what we know about Pi coins and Pi association, it is trying to state